Shots, I hit him in this shit, now Bonte quick. What you finna do? Cause this gon' make the news, gotta make your move. Told that bitch get in cause she looking confused. I broke the rule. Cause this bitch a witness, plus I just popped dude, but she ain't crying. And this hoe is smiling, plus this bitch look cute, so we slide out. I'm checking my mirrors, made it to the house, so I hop out. He hungry, I not back, no doubt, I know you mad. Cause I smoked your man, left him on the curb, she started smiling. She say, fuck that nigga, he from 63rd. Just got some time from the stripper bitch, she from Kankakee, just called a